Hello fellow holiday makers, William here and welcome to Acomo. Today's video is not going to be my usual format, but it's going to be short and exciting. Stay tuned as I will bring you to the world of opulence and luxury stay. From a cozy twin setup to a spacious suite with a separate living area and incredible views, this surprise upgrade just leveled up our entire Macau trip. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is once in a lifetime and a jaw-dropping experience to share with my fellow travelers. As the title suggests, our reservation at the stunning Grand Lisboa Palace, Macau got upgraded from a Deluxe Twin Room to a luxurious Deluxe Suite Room. And this upgrade is the reason we decided to create this channel. The jump from a Deluxe Twin to Deluxe Suite at Grand Lisboa Palace is the moment your vacation officially levels up from nice to unforgettable. Instead of just a place to sleep, you get a sprawling sun-soaked sanctuary filled with intricate chinoiserie details and enough room to actually stretch out and feel like royalty. There is something incredibly special about having a separate, lush living area and a spa-like bathroom that makes you want to cancel your plans and just stay in. It's the ultimate way to treat yourself, turning a standard Macau trip into a high-end experience with every detail feels like it was designed just for you. We originally booked the lowest available deluxe room and got upgraded to the deluxe suite. Well, if you are thinking by just adding suite from deluxe room is a fancy next tier level term, you are mistaken. Unlike other hotels, this is a big deal upgrade. To put that into perspective, the Deluxe Suite Room is the third highest property before reaching the two of the top of the line, Venice Suite and Velvet Suite. For comparison, here's the Deluxe Room. Despite this room is at the lowest tier, it still speaks volume in terms of opulent lifestyle and experience. Stay tuned as I will upload the full room tour video of the Deluxe Twin Rooms soon. The Grand Lisboa Palace will definitely impress you with its high-end facilities. There's a huge, beautiful Jardim Secreto, also known as Secret Garden, on the third floor. Although it was the winter season when we stayed here, so the outdoor pool was closed, but don't worry, they have a huge, beautiful indoor pool to get your laps. There's complimentary shuttle services provided from airport, land and sea borders, and to the other integrated Lisboa hotels. Anyway, we'll discuss the rest of it in the next video. And to get notified, hit the bell icon so you get an update when I upload a new video. Now, here's what to expect inside Grand Lisboa Palace Deluxe Suite Room. First off, this property has a big 110 square meter floor area with maximum occupancy of up to 3 guests. This room is furnished with the standard AC and internet access. Starting from the long entry hallway, there's a powder room where it starts to speak for its luxury status. Heading straight to the modern and elegant living room, there's a beautiful carpet with gold nugget design and the choice of furniture that you cannot miss to complement. There's a 55-inch smart TV plus Bluetooth speaker, a working desk just below it, the minibar with coffee machine, electric kettle, a small fridge with all drinks free is in this cupboard unit. Moving to the bedroom, there's a super comfy king-size bed with your choice of 8 different pillow options, huge floor-to-ceiling windows for both bedroom and living room with layers of automatic draperies. In the corner, there's a comfortable single sofa accompanied with an ottoman. And lastly, a slim wardrobe. Moving towards the bathroom area, you'll be greeted by this spacious walk-in dressing room. And here you will find some bathrobes, towels, some storage cabinets, hair dryer, safety box, double vanities with wash basins included with complete amenity kits, separate bathtub and walk-in shower with complete set of shower kits. Although the main toilet is clean and spacious, a bidet could have been a great addition. To sum up, the upgrade experience from Deluxe Twin Room to Deluxe Suite Room at the Grand Lisboa Palace elevates the stay from a standard luxury experience to one of palatial indulgence. Ultimately, the upgrade provides the essential breathing room and elevated privacy necessary to fully appreciate the property's grand scale and artistic detail. All I can say is cheers and thanks to SJM and Grand Lisboa Palace for this upgrade. We wish for more upgrades in the future. Anyway, That's it for now. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This helps us create more videos like this. Until next time, see you in the next video and always take care. Bye!